living good. I go back to back. I go.
Alright, another day, another drift event. So a couple of things that it takes us to get ready for these events. The drift essentials, what you need to take to the track with you while you're going drifting with your friends, going drifting for an event, or just something to do like ride along something fun. You need a truck and trailer, obviously. But yeah, let's go check out the rig and see what we got to do to fill it up. A few things, since this is just a fun drift day for us, we're just going for ride-alongs. It's nothing crazy, not the pro car. So obviously you got your spare bumper for your drift car because you're going to break that. Gas, you got your little pit vehicle, get around, got to do whatever you got to do. Hot dogs for the boys, beers, who knows. Tools, basics, gas for the pit bikes and stuff like that. Spare battery in case anything happens to the car. You got to move it, right? Sometimes it goes wrong. Just an extra fluid container. So if you need to, change fluids, oil, any of that kind of stuff, you're not doing that at the track and, ruining their facilities. All right, well, it's a drift day, so you already know you're going to need tires. Fortunately for us, we only are taking our G35, makes around 440 horsepower, so this should be more than enough. We got a couple dead ones there from a previous event, but probably 6 tires will get us through the day, and probably do 40 laps with that, so more than enough. And yeah, it's a little bit cheaper than running the pro car for sure.
That fucking guy is there, he messed it all up. I asked him for one that's like right up your alley with the strawberry and stuff that I know you like.
Oh, heck yeah, dude.
Yeah, he just messed it all up. I don't know.
Hey, it's hot out. I'll take any ice cream right now, honestly. Stoked. All right, well, I'm gonna finish eating my ice cream and head to the track, and we'll see you when we get there. We're about to head out for our first laps today, NISSFEST. We're driving the G35 today so we can give ride-alongs to everyone. And it's a little cheaper on us on tires and stuff like that. So we're gonna see how many laps we can get in today, how many ride-alongs we can give, and have a good time. Flight. What is this guy doing? Interesting little track. It makes you want to spin out a little bit right there. See, look at he did kind of the same thing as us, but it's okay. We can make it happen today. Hot, nice and hot, but not enough people will ride alongs yet, so I'm thinking we wait a little bit for the line to fill up, happened?
That was scary.
Was it scarier back? Is it? This is the fun part about having a race car. You can't get your big ass out of these things. And that's how you do it, boys. Well, NISSFEST was nice. It was hot. It was really hot. And we gave some ride-alongs to our friends, mainly. But yeah, good day. The G's still alive. We didn't break anything. A lot of these dudes crashed today. Not sure why, but a lot of crashes. Look out for the next one. Hopefully we'll be doing this again in a week. So thanks for watching, guys.